Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alfsandi Afriandi. I will I will explain about journal. The title is the use of manual supertext quiz game to improve students' English vocabulary mastery. Okay, next. This is the abstract. This abstract is to study concern about the use of manual supertext quiz game to improve the student vocabulary master, especially for the problem from the junior high school students in Indonesian. There were two cycles into study. The treatment was given in each cycle in order to get data. The writer, she, used several instruments. They were tests, questionnaire, and observation checklists. Okay, mastering. The introduction slide is about mastering vocabulary is the most important thing in mastering English. English learning process face many problems because students lack vocabulary. I especially from Indonesian junior high school student, the student is learning about vocabulary very less learning about vocabulary. They're boring or lazy to hear from their teacher, and they don't really search about how what is about what their spelling is that right or their spelling is mistakes. Okay, that is very common in junior Indonesian junior high school students. This is the review of relate literature many researchers. This is from Cameron. Word is the key unit in building up skills and knowledge. If students understand about word, what language of the word is, especially English, they will level up their skills and knowledge. Okay, next. This is the objective or aim of the research. The subject of the study are the student of AB class in academic year 2020 and or and 2 to 2013. This class had 39 students. For the class, choosing teacher choose for the class that had the most vocabulary problems. Since the purpose of this study was to solve vocabulary problem, its object was the subject's vocabulary improvement. In this study, she only focused on vocabulary in writing skill. Vocabulary was used as data in this study. It was taken from the subjects handout for one semester. This is the survey method. In this study, she gave the questionnaire and to the subjects in order to obtain their opinion, belief, and interest. The student will she will ask them about their opinion, belief, and interest about the vocabulary. In addition, the interview was in the form of guided or semi-structured interview. Giving this the giving the initial pretest. This is the test come. Before conducting the cycles, in order to know how far the subject had mastered vocabulary, the student mastered the vocabulary which was supposed to learn. She gave initial pretest. This pretest will be a data for the writer to understand about the student interest. This is the first cycle. One is planning. In this step, some preparation for conducting the study were done. Firstly, K2 is action. This action is including a pretest, a quiz, and another Another test from the writer. Observing. During the teaching and learning process, she observed the subject response and attitude. Those things were observed by using the observation checklist, reflecting and assessment. In this step, she assessed and analyzed results from the instrument. I'm sorry about this. Okay, the second cycle. In this second cycle is more or less like the first one, but the different is the observing one. Oh no, it's very same as the first one, but there are two. There are pre-test again in this second cycle. Then this writer can give the final post test. This test, in the final post test, the student obtain the improvement of the subject score in vocabulary test. The result of this will be compared with the result of the in IPT. This IPT is like before is post test, introduction post test. As I recall, this comparison was supposed to show significant improvement of the subject's vocabulary mastery. This is the result of discussion. Result of initial pretest into study. Yes, IPT is initial pretest. I'm sorry. This IPT consists of 50 test time. The subject had to finish this test in 40 minutes. The average of subject is the average subject test was 64, and where the criterion of mastery learning was 72. For the final post test, the number, type, and time location of this test were the same as those in IPT, initial post test. The average of the subject FPT score was 18. There was not any subject whose score was lower than criterion of mastery learning. Why? Is because the subject feel happy in learning English by using the game technique. It happened because they could play game and learn English at the same time. For the reason number one is almost all the subject did not like English subject. For number two is English teacher always teach English with same traditional method, so is kind of boring to them. On for reason, the learning process was done interestingly. They were motivated to participate in the learning process. And the fifthly, according to them, the game technique should be used continually for teaching vocabulary. They were happy. The students were having fun and happy because they're learning English. At the same time, they playing a game. This is the conclusion. Firstly, the subject of the study really lacked vocabulary mastery. It was proved by their scores of the initial pretest. IPT score was 64. Compare the final test where they using a game for learning and playing at the same time. This in addition, after learning vocabulary by using the technique, the subject interest and motivation were better. Okay, that is all for me. Thank you. My name is. Thank you. If I have a wrong word, I am sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.